All right, guys, here's what you can do with some of your rougher crystals. You can see we got a lot of iron in them and stuff like that. And you can do these with your best crystals too. We're going to use iron out today, and we're going to see if it works. But you can see all the iron stains we got here. Some of these crystals are really rough and just partial, but we're just going to test the iron out. So we're going to take some of these crystals. It's still got a lot of dirt in it. We'll take these and we'll just throw them inside this little tumbler, the bucket I have here. You see all the iron in there? And we're going to put them all in here for, I would say, 1 hour to test it out. And we'll just dump them all in here. Well, let's do the decent ones at least. A couple more. Okay, that should do it. Okay, how much iron out do we use? I don't know. I'm a guy, I don't measure anything. So it looks a little toxic. You can see a little smoke coming off it. That's not just a powder, that's definitely some toxic. So I would say, read the label. That looks dangerous. We'll add the water. There we go. Just till it covers the crystals. Give it a touch more to cover that one crystal there. There we go, we're bubbling away. Let's add a little more. I don't think you need that much iron out, so be careful. Wear gloves. As you can see, I always wear gloves. And there we go, don't drink this. Keep it away from the cats, the birds. And we'll check back in 1 hour and we'll see how the crystals do. Okay guys, well, I took the crystals probably 2.5 hours because as you can see, there's a lot of dark mineralization on there, lots of iron, and it did a good job. I mean, right away you can see that they look different. You know, you can see on some of these ones I didn't clean the difference. So anyway, we're going to take these and get them out of here. Take these down here carefully. Start rinsing them. You want to rinse them really good. And you want to wear gloves. I'm not wearing gloves, but if you don't wear gloves, you will burn your skin right off your hands. But I guess as a welder, I'm not worried. Well, I'm still worried. So anyway, you can already see they're way better. So let's take a look at these. Much better. They still have iron. They probably go a little bit longer. And we know these aren't perfect crystals, but this is just to show you the iron out. Let's see what we got in here. Here's a little partial crystal, but you can see that the iron out did really well. We could probably do it overnight. Here's one of the better crystals. Well, maybe it's not one of the better crystals. That window looks pretty nice, but so it might just need a little bit of brushing. Okay, let's pull another one out here. I see a good one in here. Get out of there. There we go. That looks like a piece of ice. That came out real nice. Look at that. Very nice. So maybe we can get that effect on these other ones. Possibly. I don't know. Probably within another couple hours. But anyway, they did really well. I'm happy with them. Let's see what else we got in here. Got a couple here. Here's one that didn't come out very well. And this was a very rough crystal anyway. It's not really a formed crystal completely, but it was a test on the iron out. So I don't know if this will ever completely come out. I would say I could probably soak this one overnight. It might damage, well, I'm not too worried about damaging this one. But anyway, we'll send that one out. Let's see what we got here. pretty happy with that. Overall, I think it did pretty good. Especially my favorite one right here. Yeah. All right then.